Hey guys, Saving with Shay. I am here for my weekend Walmart haul for you guys. Yeah, I kind of skipped out on my weekday because, on my midweek because mine's really sucked, you guys. Like I got $1 for 15. It was either 15 or 18 rebates, and I was just like, it was not gonna happen for me. Plus, I had totally maxed out Revlon. I maxed out Remo, maxed out Splenda. So I maxed out a lot of the ones that I have been doing on repeat, and so I didn't think that I'd be able to make it work. And so I'm here today. I'm going a little later in the day. It's Friday. I'm gonna try to see if I can get this video posted for you guys early tomorrow morning. But first things first, if you are new here, if this is your first time seeing this lovely face, go ahead and take a second to subscribe. Also make sure that you smash the hell out of that like button, you guys. I don't feel like people like videos much. Like, I don't feel like they do. I think people watch, but they forget to like. And even when you remind them to like, they still forget to like. So like the video, guys. It's the least that you could do to support your girl. Let YouTube know your girl is important. Unless you don't think I'm important, then if I'm not important, then you shouldn't be watching the video anyway, right? Technically, right? But definitely like, subscribe, ring the notification bell so you never miss on a video. As far as this haul, you guys, it should be pretty easy. I did do a few of them yesterday to make it easier for myself today. Look, listen, the Clorox deal was fire. Okay, it was fire. So your girl's back on the whole I ain't even gonna lie, because I was just like, you know what, even if I just do it just for the freebies, yeah. And so yeah, so I am back on ta-da. And so I submitted that receipt and it went straight through again. So I ended up with 16 bottles of Clorox bleach for this week, which is just awesome. And so there's that. Another thing with Tada I've noticed is that it seems like a lot of the rebates kind of mimic coupons.com. Like, I've noticed that. Maybe I'll insert a screenshot or the video of it, but I noticed that when I was scrolling through the offers, some of them mimic coupons.com. So I don't know what that's all about, but I think it's kind of cool in a way. I will see you guys in the store. The first deal we're gonna grab is on the Del Monte Veggie Fulls. It's on the little pockets. They're priced at $3.48, and on Ibotta there's a free offer. And there's a limit of 2, which is awesome because usually it's a limit of 1. So we're gonna go ahead and grab 2 of these absolutely free. This next deal is gonna be on the Proper Good soups. They are priced at $5.98. Big shout out to Cynthia at Keep Calm Couponing. She posted this on her community tab a couple days ago. It's a free offer. Now I'm not sure if you've done it before, if you can do it again. I really don't know. But if you buy one, you're gonna get that back. It's through the Aisles app. You're gonna send in a copy of your receipt, and it will go into your either Venmo or your PayPal, making it absolutely free. Now we also have an offer on Shopkick for 375 kicks, which is $1.50. Making this a $1.50 moneymaker. This next deal is on the Evolve plant-based protein shakes. They're priced at $2.78. We're gonna grab one of them. We'll be getting back $1.39 on Ibotta, making this $1.39. The next thing I'm gonna grab is the Flow Alkaline Water. It's priced at $1.78. I'm gonna grab one of these and get back $1 on Ibotta. It'll make this only 78 cents. The other thing I'm gonna go ahead and grab, because I am still one rebate short, is gonna be this Mountain Lightning. It's one of the cheaper sodas. It's priced at 96 cents. You'll get back 10 cents on Ibotta, making this only 86 cents. Alright, so this next deal is on the Core Bar. I was looking for the marshmallow hot chocolate one, but it says they have it in stock, but on here it just says seasonal. And so I went ahead and scanned this one. It is working for the rebate here on Ibotta for $2. So you'll pay $7.48, get back $2 on Ibotta, plus we get back $7.48 through the core rebate, making this a $2 moneymaker. I also have rebates for the keto and the regular ones as well. So look what I found. I found the Hostess Bouncers. If you guys watched one of my last Walmart videos, I tried these. I tried the glazed Twinkies, which are so freaking good, you guys. Like, that box is like, where did it go? I don't know. It's completely gone. They are so freaking good. They're priced at $3.98. I'm gonna grab one of these. I'll be getting back $1.50 on ShopMium. I'll also get back $1.50 on, I think I might have two on ShopMium, we'll see. But I know I have it on Today as well for $1.50, so it'll make these only 98 cents. I'm gonna definitely go ahead and grab the cinnamon donuts. And so yeah. Next deal I was gonna do was on the Mercy. If I cannot find it anywhere, and I hope that I'm not overlooking it. But they are priced at $6.48. We're grabbing a total of two of them. You'll pay $12.96, but you'll get back $8 on inbox dollars, another $1.62 times 2 on checkout 51, $2 on coupons.com, $2 on ShopMe, making it a $2.28 moneymaker. This next deal I'm going to go ahead and share. I don't think I'm going to do this deal this time around, but it's on the Pure Rocks crystals. These are priced at $4.27. For this, you're going to grab a total of two of them. You'll be using this $2.50 off of 2 coupon. We just got it in our inserts. Which will then bring your total down to you paying $3.54 for 2 or $1.77 each. Of course, we can always grab the 40 count snuggle sheets using that $1.50 coupon, making those only 47 cents. Deal is going to be on the Snuggle Exhilaration Scent Boosters. These are priced at $4.47. For this, you're going to go ahead and grab one of them. You'll be using this $2 coupon right here from our inserts. That'll bring your total down to you paying $2.47 out of pocket, but you're going to get back $1 on Ibotta, making it only $1.47, which is not necessarily bad. This deal is going to be on the Febreze plug-in. It's on the warmer right here. It's priced at $3.24. Getting this $2.30 coupon right here from our inserts, which will make it 94 cents. Just got these on clearance, like in my last video. They were marked for $3, and now they're back up to $5.54. But when I scanned them at the register, they did still scan for $5.54, but they were price modified. This next deal is going to be on this Airwick gadget mist thing. It's on the cheaper one. It's priced at $8.97. I'm not sure if you'll be able to still find these on clearance, but not in my area. So we're going to grab this price at $8.97. There's a rebate on Ibotta for $6 back. And then there's also $5.50 on my ShopMium, making this a $2.53 moneymaker. This next deal is on the Clorox bleach. I did mention this in my video that I posted the other day. It's on the Clorox. I hope that it's still available because, yeah, your guy already did it. And so for this deal, we're going to grab a total of 2 of these Clorox. They're priced at $3.98. You'll pay $7.96 but get back $8 on Swagbucks. Now the limit on this is 2, so you can either buy 4 at one time or you can buy 2. I went ahead and just maxed it out. I paid $15.92 out of pocket and got back $16. I did this deal for Swagbucks, My Points, and inbox dollars, making this a small money maker. And so yeah, I guess we should be happy that these are actually going on clearance. But $16.48 to $15 is not really a big deal. I would grab these. As a matter of fact, if they drop more than that, I will definitely grab one. These right here are 10. You know what? I think I'm gonna grab one of these because I really honestly need something for my wrapping paper. And so I think I'm gonna grab a red one for $10. And then they have these for 10. They have these for 15. These for 10. And they have those for 6, but I'm gonna grab this one for 10. And so yeah. Okay, so this next deal is gonna be on the Maybelline. Now I have a rate on Ibotta for $2 on Maybelline. I don't know if there's any coupons for it. I'm not even sure if the rebate excludes coupons, but I did find one that was relatively cheap. It's on the Blissful Berry one right here, number 410. I'm gonna grab that one. I'm gonna price match the online price at $2.74. Really quick, now one of the last times I price matched here at the store, they told me it had to say shipped and sold by Walmart. I've always price matched it from this page where it says sold online by Walmart. So one of my favorite cashiers explained to me what they mean by that. All right, so when you click on the item and you scroll down, it should actually say shipped and sold by Walmart. And that's how you know if they'll price match it or not. But to be honest, I've been still price matching and I haven't had any issues. See where it says sold and shipped by Walmart? It has to say it right there because all of the items don't say that. And some stores, if it doesn't actually say it right there, then they won't honor the price match. And so just want to throw that in for you guys. But for this one here, I'm gonna grab this one here, number 410, and I'm gonna price match the online price of $2.74, get back $2 on Ibotta. We'll make this only 74 cents. If you want to price match a different one, number 135 right here, the Palace Pink, This one is actually $3.46 online, so it would cost you $1.46 if you want to price match this one. Right, actually, let me make sure. Let's just double check. But I can tell you, all the cashiers do not do it like this. They don't go to this page. So yeah, so you shouldn't have a problem. And if you ever want to check other prices, again, I always show you guys. You just scroll through to see which color is cheaper. So this is the next set of deals, all on the Bic. They all popped up on Ibotta this afternoon, right there. And then we also have coupons.com, shopmium, and Alexa as well that will attach with this to make it an awesome deal. So the first one is on the Bic Flex for men. It's priced at $3.97, $2 back on Ibotta, $3 back on coupons.com, or Alexa, or shopmium. And it'll make that $1.03 moneymaker. The Bic Click is $6.62. $3 back on Ibotta, $3 back on either coupons.com, shopmium, or Alexa, which will make that one only 62 cents. Then we have the Soleil Escape 3-blade, which is $4.92. $2 back on Ibotta, $3 on one of the other apps, which will make that one an 8-cent moneymaker. And then last but not least is the 4-blade, which is priced at $5.92. $2 back on Ibotta, $3 back on the other app, making that 92 cents. So basically gonna get all 4 of these for only 43 cents, which is an awesome deal. And so here's a hang tag. Be on the lookout. Bogo, be on the lookout. No, Bolo. Be on the lookout for these. I'm definitely gonna get some of these. I ain't even gonna lie. I ain't even gonna pretend. Not even gonna pretend with y'all. Look, these are gonna come in handy. They're $2 off. And let's see when they expire. They're good till April the 19th for one. $2 off a hair product. So yeah, we're gonna grab some. Deal is under Ray Wellness Vitamins. I'm not gonna be doing this deal, but I thought I'd share it for those of you who just want to try it. I mean, and they have some, like I said before, I shared this deal before. Yeah, they have some nice little, topics, or but anyways, listen, so for this deal, you're gonna grab a total of 2 of them, priced at $14.88. That total is gonna come to what? It's gonna come to $29.76. You'll get back $16 on Swagbucks. Then you'll also get back $3.72 times 2 on checkout 51. Bringing these down to $6.32 for 2, or $3.16 each, which is definitely not a bad deal considering they're normally $15 each. And so yeah, just thought I'd share. We're gonna grab the multi-vice, priced at $5.98. We're gonna be getting back $2.50 on Ibotta. We're also gonna get back $2.50 on Fetch Reward, making this a $1.02 moneymaker. So last deal is on the Campo Fanique, priced at $3.97. We're grabbing 2 of these. We're using this for 2 coupon from our inserts. We'll pay $3.94 to pocket and get back $3 on Ibotta, making it 94 cents for the 2, or 47 cents each. So here is my complete haul for you guys for today. That bleach and Febreze is making me so happy, y'all. And yeah, you see the Febreze because your girl got this last week, and yes, I took them back and did post coupons on all of them using the $2.30 coupon, which brought these down to 35 cents per can. I did that. Yes, I did. Yeah, I did that. Clorox, awesome deal on that. I know some of you guys said your stores are cheaper. I know, because my store used to be cheaper, but now it's not. Now it's $3.98 for this little bitty bottle of bleach, and I think it's crazy because yeah, it's a tiny ass bottle of bleach and it's $4, which is crazy. And to think that people actually pay for that, like with no rebate and no coupon. But we getting it for free over here. But listen, so yeah, I'm back on Tada. So with Tada, I noticed that they do have rebates, and I mentioned it in the previous clip, or the first clip, the intro clip, that they do have rebates that look like coupons.com. All right, so I submitted for the Bic on there. It's in review. I submitted for the Bouncers. That's in review. And what else is in review? Vital Fusion is also in review, even though that's not technically on coupons.com. It is for $2, but not for $3 for buying 2. Also in review. The only thing that went through was the Clorox, but I'm happy about that. It went through on all 4. Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, and Tada. These Vegefuls, these, you guys, this is empty.
I just taped it back up for y'all. But look, these are so freaking good. I wish I would did a video when I tried them, but I didn't. Maybe I will. Well, it won't be genuine because I already know what they taste like. But these are so freaking good, and it makes me sad because last time they had these for free, I didn't even try them. In fact, it's still in my freezer, and I feel bad about that because these are actually really good. So I'm hoping that it's still good. But yeah, I was so happy to try these. I couldn't even wait to do the video for you guys. I had those yesterday for lunch. I just wanted to mention that. I think I went over everything in the video except this right here, the better. I think that's how you pronounce it, the acid reducer. These were on clearance for $3 at one of my stores. So I grabbed two days in a row. I actually did them on separate transactions and was just crossing my fingers and toes that it was going to reset for me, which it did. So I made those free. I didn't mention the whole blends either. The whole blends was on clearance for $2 each, and these are the huge bottles. So I paid $4. I submitted it on coupons.com for $3 back for buying the 2, and then I also have a brand club survey for 75 cents. So it makes those 25 cents for both of those, which is an awesome deal. Other than that, you guys, I think that's basically it. I don't feel like I'm forgetting anything. But so everything here worked out really good. I think this looks so awesome. So everything you see here retails $207.89. This is $14.14 in sales tax. I had $25.91 in coupons, which brought the out of pocket down to $181.98. So what we got back? We got back $72.94 from Ibotta, $32.62 from Isles, $14.50 from ShopMium. Coupons.com, we got back $6. Alexa was $3. Swagbucks was $16. My Points was $16. Inbox dollars was $16. And Tada was $23.50. Brand Club 75 cents. Fetch Reward was $5. I actually had to have my receipt corrected twice for this, you guys. And eventually had to put a ticket in because it's not picking it up. It's picking it up, but it's not giving me the credit for it. Shopkick was $1.50. And so, yeah, so we got back a total of $207.81 in rebates, which makes everything you see here free plus a $25.83 moneymaker. And again, after tax, it's still free plus $11.69. Other than that, you guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If you got this far, you guys, I want to see rainbows in the comments. I don't think I've done rainbows before. So you got this far. I want to see rainbows, and I will see you guys in the next video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.